Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Binance US for staking rewards, full guide step. Open your web browser and navigate to the Binance US website. Log into your Binance US account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Earn option in the main navigation menu. Click on Earn to access the staking section. You will see various staking options available on the platform. Review the different cryptocurrencies available for staking. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to stake by clicking on it. Read the staking details provided, including the rewards and lockup periods. If satisfied with the information, click on the Stake button. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Review the terms and conditions associated with your staking choice. Confirm your transaction details before proceeding. Click on the Confirm button to complete the staking process. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification about your staking status. To monitor your staking rewards, navigate back to the Earn section. Select Staking from the submenu to view your current staked assets. Keep track of the rewards accumulating in your account. If you wish to unstake your assets at any time, go back to the staking page. Locate the asset you want to unstake and click on the Unstake button. Follow the prompts to complete the unstaking process. Be aware of any waiting periods before your assets become available again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.